My name is Volker. I'm working for Stihl since 15 years now, and I'm coming from Germany, where the company is based. What makes Stihl one of the top-rated producers of power tools is the fact that we do this business since almost 100 years, and we have always believed not in only selling products, but giving you after sales and service. So I'm here for training in order to make sure that all the service aspects can be handled. Now the training has been really good so far. It's a real nice teamwork. Doesn't matter if somebody comes from Germany or from Ivory Coast or from Ghana, we work together as a team with our local partners, and it makes it not only informative but enjoyable.
Je suis Enza Ouattara, je travaille pour Stihl au centre de formation basé en Côte d'Ivoire pour l'Afrique de l'Ouest et l'Afrique du Centre.
5, it corresponds to 50 cm, 5 cm. Donc il a demandé est-ce que c'est la position la plus basse. Il lui a dit que je suis à la position 5 qui correspond à 50 cm de hauteur. OK?
My name is Onyedikachi Josiah Mwobane. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a technical guy. I repair steel and also do training for people to make use of the machine. I joined the training because there's a new product. Every year we have new products that will come in, then we will have to train. We train ourselves before we can now train people to make use of the machine for proper use.
Okay, donc Stihl est une entreprise qui existe depuis 1926 et Stihl est reconnu par sa marque et par sa qualité de services et de produits. Donc Stihl ne fait pas que fabriquer du matériel pour l'agriculture et pour la forêt, mais également un service après-vente dédié avec des formateurs compétents qui suivent tous les clients à travers le monde.
The partnership between Stihl and C. Woermann over the past 15 years that I can overlook has always been very, very fair, very reliable, and almost, or not almost, it has been on a friendly base. So it's a very good work atmosphere. You trust each other, and that builds a lot of confidence in the future. My message to everybody out there who hasn't used Stihl products yet is contact C. Woermann. It's a trustworthy, very reliable partner, and you will get our products through this company that are fully professional. They will last for a long time. You get all the spare parts you need, and on top of that, you get service. You get people here that can repair them, that can help you with any question you have. So my advice, clearly, buy Stihl and do it through C. Woermann.